Hey Rush fam, so this is where we're at today. Stay tuned. Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush the Discovery Boss here with another exclusive video. So we're here in the Kingston Spring area of Kingston Spring Road. So this is a new development. I did a video on it before, but back then my drone was down, so there was no drone coverage. So the plan right now is to fill that gap, is to give you guys some drone shots of this development. It's been developed by Kemtek company, Kemtek development company. We know Kemtek build a lot of residential homes as well, and this is one of their commercial developments. So more than likely a BPO, also known as a call center, more than likely will be the tenant of this building. It has a rooftop area as well. On the top of the building there is something that looks like a heliport, or you know, a helicopter landing spot area, landing pad. But it could just be a part of the design as well. I think it's a part of the design, but you guys can let me know what you think in the comment. So Kemtek development, commercial development right off Kingston Spring Road. Just doing a quick update for you guys and putting in some drone shots as well. So you guys definitely stay tuned for more information. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. You know, that's the cheapest way to support the channel. It does not cost. So help out the channel. We're on our way to 20k in terms of subscribers. Alright, so this is a front view before we send up the drone. Kemtek Development Company. What you guys think about the colors? Blue and red with probably cream. And that's the area I was talking. It looks like a helicopter landing pad, but I doubt it. It's just a part of the design. I hear some person saying it could be that. But let me know what you think in the comment. 4 floors, rooftop area, underground parking, Kingston Spring Road. Let me know your thoughts. The drone is going up shortly. We have Scotiabank basically in front, NCB Bank close by, a lot of other commercial development close by as well. The Super Value Town Center is also up the road. So I'll see if I can get some shots of the Super Value Town Center as well from the drone.